4 plus 4 gives us 8. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4, and our expression becomes 12 times 4 minus 8. 12 times 4 gives us 48, and 48 minus 8 gives us 40. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have addition, division, subtraction, and parentheses present too. And according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority, so let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 4 plus 4 divided by 2 inside parentheses, and according to the order of operations, division has higher priority than addition or subtraction. So we must solve this division first. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, and inside parentheses we now have 4 plus 2, that gives us 6. Our expression simplifies to 12 times 6 minus 8. Now we have two operators present in this expression, multiplication and subtraction. And now multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we must solve multiplication first. 12 times 6, that gives us 72. And 72 minus 8, that gives us 64, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.